Another week, another trading cycles video. We're now in week 22 of 2023. Before we go over sort of our predictions for this last week here, as well as what we predict might happen in the next upcoming week or so, keep in mind, as always, we do not provide financial advice. All the content that we share is intended for educational purposes only, and always trade the price and not the prediction. How are you doing, Urmas?
Hi, yes, not too bad, not too bad. Well, the markets have been really positive for the past couple of days, at least for the second half of the week, which is good. And obviously there have been some high flyers there as well, one of them being NVIDIA, and obviously Marvell as well. These are quite good positions to be in, and one of them we took as well. I'm not going to say which one. Well, I say we took the Marvell one. It's all right. But obviously semiconductor industry is flying at the moment, and that has been in our cards as well. So these stocks have been under our radar for quite a bit already. Obviously, it's all something to do with AI and developments in that area. So that's something to keep an eye on. It's not short term, obviously. Trend. It's going to be for longer term, I believe. So it's just the beginning at the moment.
AI is the future.
It is, yes. Like internet used to be in 1995 or somewhere there, yeah, when it took off, and obviously by 2000 it was quite big hype already. So I expect that with AI we will see something similar happening. So yeah, these semiconductor companies are obviously enjoying that hype, which is obviously good because companies do need more computers and systems to run these systems on. Yeah, so basically, it's gonna be in high demand for the next coming years, or maybe decades even. Yeah, so it's hard to say. But yeah, looking at the market at the moment, then I will scrap that head and shoulders thing here. So no need for that. We don't have any dandruff or anything like that. It's all right.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, exactly. All right. So what happened actually last week was that we saw a decline in the first half and then a raise of the prices on the second half. And we had holiday, obviously weekend as well in US. So what happens usually before holiday weekend is that we see that sort of a rally into that weekend, and after that there will be some corrections. So that's what we saw today, which is Tuesday. So a small correction. So market is now looking for direction at the moment. And as we are in this bullish period at the moment seasonally, so that's we expect that the rally will continue at the moment up until 6th of June. Yeah, so let's then see how it reacts from there. And we have now marked down our turning points for June as well. So these will be, I already mentioned 6th of June, then 12th, 16th, 22nd, 26th, and 30th of June. So these are something to keep an eye on. And especially strong days are 12th and 30th. So these are especially something to keep an eye on. We expect strong moves after those days. Okay, and let's have a look at gold market as well. Gold market, we do expect now the trend to continue upwards. We had a turning point on Friday, 26th. So after that, there has been a prediction that market will rise, and today we have seen quite strong up day already. Next turning point coming up is on the 7th and then on the 12th, and the last one this month will be, or next month will be 26th for gold market. Yeah. What else? Bitcoin. Yeah. So Bitcoin is still in this seasonally bearish period. We do see at the moment some sort of rally here, and it might last up until the 9th. Obviously, there's one turning point coming up tomorrow as well, so we'll see how this one reacts, but I expect that prices will move a bit higher from here until the 9th, and then the next one is 15th, 21st, and 30th for Bitcoin as well. And we do expect that the market will keep declining still, so we shouldn't see any higher highs here coming up in the near future. And overall market is taking a breather here, so the overall market is not doing so well. Obviously, the high flyers are about 5 to 7 companies, I think, in S&P 500. So when we look at the broad market, yes, we can see that there has been higher high already. But when we look at S&P, not S&P, Russell 2000, yeah, which is small cap companies, then in here there's significant low already. So basically, the higher high is quite far reached. Yeah, so that's not going to happen, I think. And that shows the broad market weakness, obviously, which is not good for the overall stock market. Yeah, but as always, it is a market of stocks, not the stock market. So every stock is different, and we do keep our positions with those favorites like Nvidia and obviously Meta has been, and what else is there? Apple is doing still great, and Microsoft and so on. Yeah, so these companies are flying quite high at the moment, and obviously Tesla has been picking up as well. So that's always a good sign. It is kind of technology company already, so not so much car company, I think. So yeah, these are the ones, and VIX index is back to the 70s here, so basically 17s. Yeah, it took off on Wednesday about 20 mark here, but now it has been calming down. So nothing major so far going on. Yeah, so that's basically the overview what we can expect in the next week and next month as well. So obviously you can mark those turning points to your calendar and keep an eye on these, because they have been quite good pointers when you follow the market closely. So if we look back to the month of May, so these have been picking those highs and lows quite well, and obviously not ideal, but it's better than nothing, and it works quite well. All right.
Definitely. All right. Thank you very much, Romus, and thank you for watching and listening. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Click the bell notification icon so you get notified when we next upload a video, which is weekly, by the way. And if you haven't already, click the like button as well if you're already down there. Leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. And share the video, share the channel with anyone you might think might find this information useful. I don't know, maybe your grandmother or your neighbor or the neighbor's cat. I do believe cats love looking at the stock market. Anyways, that's all from me. And that's all from us for this week. We shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Take care. Have a good week.